Is it time to buy or sell BioVie stock? In this video, we will conduct an in-depth analysis of BioVie. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive assessment. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. As of October 18th, 2024, our system has identified BioVie as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.96. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 42.98% since we initially listed BioVie as a buy candidate 3 days ago. This represents an average return of 14.33% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for those trading in the short term, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $4.07 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 7% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 83.36% to 29.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of 17.6% over the next year, with potential returns varying between negative 97.66% and 9.5%. This translates to a price range between 7.86 cents and $3.66 at the end of the year. Our latest daily update for BioVie includes the headline, High volatility in BioVie Inc. stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $3.36. The BioVie Inc. stock price gained 27.76% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, October 22nd, 2024, rising from $2.63 to $3.36. It has now seen gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 25.86%, with a low of $2.90 and a high of $3.65. The price has experienced notable volatility during this period, and there has been a remarkable 160.47% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 112 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $115,003,000. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.50, while the lowest price was 25.3 cents. Currently, the price is 55.20%, or $4.14, below the 52-week high, and 92.71%, or $42.74, below the all-time high reached on February 5th, 2021, when the price was $46.10. BioVie Inc. has recently made notable strides to strengthen its financial position and development pipeline. On the 22nd of October, the company announced the successful completion of a registered direct offering, selling 4.4 million shares at $1.50 each, which raised approximately $6.7 million before fees. This funding is essential for BioVie, especially as it progresses with innovative therapies for chronic conditions such as liver disease and neurodegenerative disorders. The context of this offering is complemented by previous news of BioVie receiving a notice of allowance for a patent on a novel formulation of terlipressin. This paves the way for potential market exclusivity in several countries, including Japan and the United States. This patent could significantly enhance the company's competitiveness and value proposition within the biotech sector. In addition, BioVie has been actively securing further support for its clinical trials, recently gaining the necessary approvals to access $12.6 million in grant funding for a Phase 2 trial of bezisterim, aimed at targeting long COVID. This reinforces BioVie's commitment to addressing urgent health issues, which may boost investor confidence and market interest. In the short term, these developments could stabilize or elevate BioVie's stock price, as investors tend to respond positively to the equity raise and ongoing clinical progress. Over the long term, successful trial results and the realization of patent protections could significantly increase the stock's value, particularly if the therapies gain traction in their respective markets. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 1st of July, 2024, it was reported that ThinkEquity assigned BIVI a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned BioVie stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BioVie. The stock is currently showing mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, 19th, 2024, and since then, it has declined by approximately 13.4%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. BioVie Inc.'s stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support may be found around $1.83 and $1.97. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 46 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 80 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average similarly indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 4 days ago as well. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BioVie. BioVie Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $3.25. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant daily movement or volatility, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 750 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 25.86%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 81.92%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BioVie, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year, 2024, is anticipated on the 11th of February, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BioVie. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BioVie is at $3.42. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an important level to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, BioVie faces its first support level at $3.25. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for BioVie from various analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of June, 2024, when Palumbo Joseph M. executed an insider purchase of 156,000 shares of stock options, which grant the right to buy. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.20, reflecting a decline of 4.66%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 92, further amplifying the risk involved. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 45 days ago. Is BioVie stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for BioVie Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we expect BioVie to open down by approximately 5.67 cents and start trading at $3.30. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.